Hi everyone, it's Shell from Designs by Shell here. Thanks for joining me today. Welcome to my regular followers, and if you're new, I hope you enjoy my channel and subscribe. I share all kinds of paper crafts, scrapbooking crafts, as well as some home decor ideas, and of course I love to share all things Christmas. I appreciate all the kind comments that many of you leave as well. So let's get started. Today's project is this altered wood hot cocoa cup. And it's a gift topper. Well, it could actually be an ornament as well, but it was sold as a gift topper. And I purchased these at a Target when I was on one of my little holidays. We don't have Targets here in Canada. At least I don't think we have them anymore. Yeah, anyways, I got them in the dollar section. I guess it was at one of the Target stores. And this was the way they came. They were solid red on the front, and they already had some kind of sparkle on the whipped cream on there, and showing the little marshmallows and the candy cane stick there. And so I decided that they were kind of plain, so I thought I could do something with them and kind of bling them up a little bit. So I've already gone ahead and started the process. So I painted this one as well, so I'll just show you what that looks like. So take that off. And I used this, it's called Premier Paint Primer Interior Exterior Multi-Surface White Spray Paint. It was a gloss, which I just picked up at Canadian Tire. And I used a stencil, and this is all I have left of it. It was a self-adhesive stencil, and I just put that on the front of the ornaments here, and it came out really nice. I just spray painted them over the stencil, and gave a really nice kind of flourish on there. So and it was a self-adhesive stencil, so when you pull it off, after you use it a few times, it gets pretty mucky with the spray paint. So that went in the garbage, but it was only $1 at the dollar store for these. And that's just the little piece that I had, the little corner piece, just to show you what I used. And so this is what the finished one looks like here. I've added some little pom-poms to the marshmallows, just to give them that kind of textured, puffy look there on the top, and added some bling trim on there. Just from my scraps, I had a pick that I used and just cut it apart and added this little greenery on there with the holly berries. And then I used some stickle, this gold one here, and I just kind of went over all of the white painted lines on there. Now you wouldn't have to do that necessarily for that step, but if you want to add the extra bling, you can. And then here's the second one that I did. Just pretty much done the same way. And just a little bit different berries. I just used what I had, so if you have different things in your Christmas stash that you're not using, you could just use whatever little berries or greenery that you have. So I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna finish this one together. So hope you join me and see how I do it here. So I've got this, the pom-poms come on a string like this, and I just cut them apart. And like this, and then I actually just cut them in half because you don't really need a whole one. These ones stay together pretty good, so some of them I know when you cut them, they can kind of come apart, and you don't really want that. I've got my glue gun ready here, so I'm going to put some hot glue on here, and that might be off camera for that, but I'm just going to just do like this. I'll do that for the next ones. And one more. This is just a cute, quick little craft. If you can get all kinds of these little wood ornaments at the dollar stores, and might not be identical, but still give you an idea of how to dress up just plainer ornaments. So I've got a strip of this silver mesh here, and I'm gonna put that along the top. I'll just use my glue gun here and put that on there. There we go. And then we're gonna, I was thinking I might use some, I do have still some of this evergreen, I guess, little piece there, but I was thinking I might use some boxwood on this one just to change it up a bit. It's just some little boxwood greenery, so I'm gonna put some glue on that. Put that on there like so. Messy glue. Oh, the strings drive you crazy, don't they? Okay. Oh. Okay, so and then let's see, I've got some of the little berries here. A couple of these little red ones maybe in there. I think I can do that. Oh. Just kind of tuck them in there like that. And I was thinking maybe to add a little white pearl in there. I don't know if that's gonna look right. Let's see, I've got a smaller one. That size or this size? I think I'm gonna go with this little bit bigger one. Stick that on there as well. Just to be different. I like the pearl look. So there we go. And then I just used some of the red and white baker's twine to add a little string to the top here. We've got that on there. And I'm just going to tie a little knot at the end here. And then you can trim it if you like, just to clean it up a bit. And there, so we finished that one, and there's all three of them together. And like I said, you could add the stickle on there as well. Well, maybe I'll add a little bit on just to see what it's gonna look like here on this one. This is pretty easy to apply. The thing I found with this is, like, when you start adding some on, you really can't stop. You just start putting it everywhere. But I think it just adds a little bit. I guess you can't have too much glitter at Christmas time, right? Okay. So there's that. And like I said, if you wanted to add a tag to the back, you could put a to from tag and just stick it on the back and then add that to your gift. So I hope you enjoyed that today. Just a quick little craft, sweet and simple. And thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time. Bye for now.